Well, what do we have here? It's an Erin Condren box. I'll be unboxing all of the goodies inside, including the new notebook launched by Erin Condren, B6 notebooks, Hello Kitty. We're gonna unbox it here, so let's dive in. Hello planner friends, my name is Sarah and I love sharing tips and tricks to help you stay optimized and organized and have fun at the same time. As I mentioned, I'll be unboxing the new Erin Condren Notebook collection. The Erin Condren team sent me this box to show all of y'all, so I'm so excited to dive into the products. I took a little peek, I'm not gonna lie, I get so excited when I get something in the mail, but I want to mainly ensure my thoughts. Y'all know that I absolutely love Erin Condren, like almost everything in here, all my planners, that is Erin Condren. So I absolutely love their products and I was so excited to get this to share with y'all. Everything will be linked down below, so if you like a product, I would appreciate if you can use my links. I do get a little kickback, so thank y'all so much for your support and helping grow my channel. And without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing.
So this is it. Let's open this up and see what's inside. So I have a pack of gel pens, a padding stencil. I love these. I love these so much. These are the notebooks. This is a productivity. So we have a lined notebook and a productivity notebook. And then the take note. So something they told us is that they forgot to include the cover for the Hello Kitty notebooks. So yeah, there's that. I mean, it's okay because I have a ton of covers and we actually got some covers, just not the Hello Kitty covers, but this is still super cute and I can just put a cover in the meantime. And to get some covers, so cute. And look at this. This is a notebook cover. I'm gonna start by going over the notebook items. This is a new collection launched by Erin Condren. They're the B6 notebooks, and something great about it is that it has Korean paper. It's still 80 pounds, but it's Korean paper, and this is the salmon one. I love this like muted color palette. It's just so elegant. Let's go through. This takes me back to, I would say, elementary school. Like the feeling of this. Oh, this is so nice. It's like when you made your own journals. I don't know, have you guys ever done that before? So right away you open it and it has this color that matches. This is a productivity pager, so it has the productivity layout. The paper, oh my gosh, it feels so great. It feels really buttery. It definitely feels different from like the Erin Condren paper we're used to. It just feels so much more soft and buttery. A little thinner, but it's so beautiful. Now I'm gonna do lined pages. Oh wow. Oh, I love this. On one side you can like highlight the date that you're working on, and then this page doesn't have that. This paper, oh my gosh, I am going to be using this a lot. Not only that, but they have these beautiful like cover sets, and it even has space for a pen. This is too cute. I'm in love right now. So you just slip it in here, and I think you can have even two of them. No, it's just the one. So am I doing it right? I don't know, but this is so cute. You can just like lay it flat. You can take it with you. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this would look in your purse. And you can also slip something in here too. Let's look at this pen. These are gorgeous. And they write really well too. I have a few of them. So let's see how it would look with the pen loop. Is it pen loop? Yeah, it is. Just gonna try to open it. Wow, okay, this is so cute. So you can take it with you. Like this, and this feels like almost like a suede. I love it so much. Now that I have the pens right here, it says they're black gel pens. So even though they're different colors on the outside, they will all be black. So I'm going to do a pen test on these pages, so just so you can see how they are as well. They're almost, I think it's like a 5 tip or a 7 tip. It's a 5 tip. So you can see the paper is a little bit different. There's a little bit more ghosting than other paper, but the feeling of writing on it is really good because it's not like grainy paper. It's really soft and sleek. This makes for a great journal. I think this will be like my pen test journal. And I love how some of these pens are. Now I'm gonna grab this planning stencil. And oh my gosh, this is so great. It has a ton. I think these fit these B6 notebooks really well. I hate kind of testing here. Oh my gosh, they're like the size of the grid lines. Love it. You can make little checklists like this. The only thing I'm not loving is that it's skipping a little bit. I love this. I love the edging. I love a good stencil. Oh, the pen is not skipping anymore. It's like really getting some good ink on there. That is so cute. I love these, and they have different sizes. I wish they had another size heart because I do use a lot of hearts. So just having one size is not my favorite. So just try not to press it too hard. But I kind of like the feeling of this. I will say the paper is thinner, but still super cute though. I was like really excited to get this too because this is a classic lined notebook, but it's the Hello Kitty and Friends collection. So it's super cute, decorated with Hello Kitty and Friends. So you get Karopi, you get Hello Kitty, of course, and I forget the names of the other ones. Forgot this one. This one is everywhere. I used to love Hello Kitty as a kid. I haven't gone into it lately, but now with everything in Erin Condren that's Hello Kitty, like I just want Hello Kitty so bad, like everything. I think I'll be using this notebook like as part of my content planning, and I'll get a Hello Kitty planner for that when my other content planner runs out. But yeah, it was so cute, and this is like a great moment. If you're not super familiar with Erin Condren, they have like interchangeable covers and you can totally put them on. I just need to rip out the little things real quick. So I got them all for the most part, and you just have to like slip it in. Getting some scissors. These are in Condren too, by the way. You just grab some scissors and start poking them through. I love these Erin Condren notebooks. Like this Hello Kitty one is so super adorable, super cute decoration, but I definitely use these. You can get different layouts. You can get like productivity layout, and these do have like that Erin Condren paper. I'm gonna go to like this last page right here. You can see that with this paper, there is less ghosting, doesn't even seep through as much than the new paper, but they're different types because where this is like grainy paper, this one is just very smooth and buttery. So it's just kind of like what you like. This one actually feels really, really good. You could use this for journaling. You could maybe try to use a different pen. The gel pens are usually, you have to like mark them more. But all in all, like I really, really love this notebook collection. This is something that you can take with you. It's very portable. It's super cute. And it's just like full of nostalgia, I feel. This cover is really cute. I got both of them. You could never have too many covers. I really like Erin Condren covers, especially sometimes they get scratched up if you're taking your planner around. So you can just change it out and change it by season. So definitely pick up Erin Condren covers. They're really great to have also in A5. My final thoughts on these products: a good black gel pen, you can never have too many of. Plus, I love the design of these and how the ink flows. There was just a little bit of skipping, but I think it's because of how I was pressing the pen. Not sure, I do get that with other pens sometimes, even when they don't skip, but they're super cute. The design is very also ergonomic. These stencils are so great. I use a ton of Erin Condren stencils. Like this is the one that came in our ring agenda. This is one that I got before from Erin Condren. And this one's from Amazon. But I definitely use these a lot. They're very well loved. And these will too, especially with all of the icons here, the heart. And I like that the heart is actually a little bit smaller. Wait, let me see. No, it's the same size. Darn, I wish they had a smaller heart because I use hearts a lot, but the squares are pretty nice too. I use the square a lot in my work planner, so this one will probably be used a lot in my work planner. Stay tuned because I'll use it like that. These are so great. This cover is so cute, something so elegant that you can take with you, and the fact that it's B6, like you're definitely gonna see me using this, and you can have it monogrammed. There's a lot of things from Erin Condren that you can monogram. This is one of them, and it just adds so much beauty to your collection. This is so deluxe. I don't even want to get into it. So I really liked these little journals. This Hello Kitty one, absolutely. I loved it so much. So I'm really excited to get into these. So stay tuned for all of my shorts and me using these products because they're so adorable. So what did you think about this collection, and what is your favorite Erin Condren product in general? I would say I'm definitely in my journaling era, so notebooks and journals just come as a very, very happy addition to my collection because I will use them. I'm definitely using my journals as much as I can because it's my favorite pastime, I would say. And as for Hello Kitty, oh my gosh, I am trying so hard not to buy Hello Kitty things. I love them so much. Their Hello Kitty collection is so beautiful, so definitely check it out. Thank y'all so much for being here and watching this unboxing. If you have any questions about Erin Condren products, definitely DM me on Instagram or send me an email. I'll be happy to answer, and I can definitely ask the Erin Condren team to help answer your questions accurately. Hit the like button so I know you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more planning tips and tricks and unboxing, of course, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a video. Watch this video next.